Beyond the different types of facial recognition and how we extract the facial vector, there are additional technology considerations for ensuring high accurate facial recognition. Let's review some of those variables in optimal face recognition. One of the key variables to keep in mind when it comes to accuracy. Now, it's not the overall resolution of the camera that always matters. What's important is the pixel count of the faces themselves. If people are walking very close to the camera and most likely will have sufficient face resolution. However, if the field of view is very wide, for example, a camera that overlooks a busy junction or an airport terminal, then each person will be relatively small in the frame, and therefore a high resolution is required. BriefCam face recognition technology requires faces of at least 24 by 24 pixels, which is equivalent to 12 pixels between the eyes. Frame rate is measured in frames per second, or FPS. BriefCam tracks objects as they move throughout the scene and chooses the best snapshots of the face. The higher the frame rate, the more selection BriefCam has for the best shot. To get the maximum contrast of the facial features in the video, a good illumination should be considered. It can be either natural or artificial light, but the less shadows and the more frontal lighting is available, more facial features will be detected. Bitrate is one of the most confusing elements in digital video. People tend to think that the higher the resolution, the better the video quality is, but it's not necessarily true. Video compression is built on the foundations of removing excess data from the screen, and different levels of excess data can be configured. So a 4K video resolution can be configured to consume little bitrate, and the result would be a video with all of the 4K pixels, but each pixel's reliability to the source is low. People in the video can move slowly or quickly. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're running. The camera could be too close and they'll pass by very quickly. But if that happens, smearing effects can occur due to how cameras' CCD sensors work. Also, there will be less frames to choose from. It's advised to balance the camera's distance to the object so it's not too close and not too far.